I can zoom in right into it as well. And zoom straight out. Exactly, my point. Please don't. 3, 2, 1, run!
Little ones are better than them big ones.
I know, yeah.
Ready, steady, go!
Oh, it's the wrong way round. Shit on it.
No, that's annoying.
I'm just not worried about getting out of everybody's way. I think you find nowadays there's not really many noisy ones anyway, unless you get big display ones.
Yeah.
Why do you think I pelted it?
He's a good fast runner.
Oh, that's lovely, that one. That one's lovely.
He's got long legs, what do you expect?
I like the blue that's coming out of it as well.
That's purple, babe.
Oh, I'm colourblind, you know.
I'd say electric blue, but
Fucking dimple. Yoo-hoo, big summer vlog.
set me 6 meters away, but how are you meant to get away from it in time?
Okay.
I'll take the jumper off. It's November, I'm taking my jumper off.
Uh-oh. No, it isn't. Go on. Oh.
Where you go down there?
Flickering, I can see it.
Yeah.
It's fully gone out now.
Are you
It's more of a hole for you. It's just weird. Yeah, we just call him lanky legs. If you ever want to relate to him, just call him lanky legs.
Yeah. Good barbecue there. Yeah. Gas. No. Oh. Yeah. Good setting for it.
Seats. Used to be mine now. Oh, that's going to do the same thing.
Trying to get one for
I think that's it.
It's so fun.
We'll find it, don't worry. Run. I want to like a rocket.
That's lovely, that one. I like that colour. I've got a bit more power to it, that one.
What did you do with them tablets? Oh, I'll put them on there. Rose is looking after them for me, aren't you, Rose?
3, 2, 1, and it's...
Don't worry about it, Mummy.
Ow.
We'll find it. Mummy, it's not down there. Don't worry about it.
Just like with the pocket.
No.
You brought some wine for that, it's pineapple house. would run.
You have to be quick because we can't see it.
And I'm filming this from now. Good really trying to run, it's brilliant.
Oh wow. That's actually really good. Oh, and by the way,
No, I think you knocked it too on the wall, man.
no. Is it not meant to spin round though? It's supposed to.
Well, I ain't spinning round.
Yeah, but did you push it? No, I didn't even touch it. I just took the nail.
It's good to go round, isn't
It's
it?
meant to spin round, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very good then. Third time lucky, we'll get it right next year. Oh, shit.
Should we have a water bucket for activation?
Yeah.
They're sending some rockets.
Oh, is that what you're doing? Cut the rockets?
Hide. Right, go, go, go! They went into a tree. The other one's...
Yeah. Not too bad.
There's a slanted a bit, but... Calvin fell over the fence.
Go.
Whoosh. Run, Forrest, run.
I did it!
I did quite well. I'm getting good at this. That's like kind of like a rocket.
No, you look like me. I don't like a rocket or coming from. You need one up your bucket.
Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run.
Not bad.
I'm sorry, my bad.
Say accident with the fence.
Do you want me to request these? Funny.
Go.
Well, they're all running now.
I haven't filmed that one. Right, you gotta run.
Steady.
Please tell you that I was screaming earlier. Because I was screaming for fucking back. Look at Jackson.
It's because Jack needs to go down with him.
And I know things, that's not scary. Big one, big one, big one.
They're both running.